2000 Ford F350 Lariat Super Duty dually Power Stroke diesel, and it has the good Power Stroke 7.3 liter turbo diesel with a K&N cold air intake system. This truck runs excellent. It's in very nice shape with BF Goodrich tires all the way around. They got lots of tread, about 85 to 90%. It's got the step bars for the pull-out tow mirrors. Has a spray-in box liner in the back as well with the fifth wheel brackets. Pull the hook up for towing a trailer. It's a super cab, so all four doors open up as well. With power windows, power door locks, power mirrors, heated mirrors, fully loaded with leather interior, power seat, automatic transmission with cruise control on the steering wheel, console, CD player, air conditioning, turn dial 4-wheel drive. And it's got some nice gauges on the side here as well with a turbo and the transmission temperature. Interior is very clean. Got the original floor mats for it as well. They were just shampooed. You can view this 1-ton dually diesel at Kolenberg Motors at 3537 Couch and Lake Road in Duncan.